Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about a social media platform where you could earn money and cash rewards while doing what you love to do, and that's by posting on social media, okay? Just by posting just normal stuff. All right, and I'm gonna go over a couple things here, okay? So right now I'm gonna go to my home page, okay, and show you what I'm talking about, all right? So we're gonna go over here, and I'm gonna make some future videos on how to put on your cover and your photos and all that, okay? But we're gonna go to the timeline here, okay? And I'm just gonna show you my recent post, all right? So this was yesterday, and I posted about earning on Webtalk, okay? And you can see my stats right here. This was yesterday before 6 o'clock, before 6 p.m. All right, and as you can see, I'm getting engagement. I'm getting one share, 15 views here. All right, and then I'm sharing and posting, engaging in other people's content. All right, I'm getting 50 views there. All right, getting likes and shares. Okay. And here's my own content here. I'm getting about another 15 views here. 4 people shared my content. All right. So all this is what I'm doing right now. I'm earning money. I'm earning cash rewards just by doing this. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my back office right here. All right. And go to my dashboard, and you can see here, congrats, I earned like 3,044 points yesterday. All right, and for the month so far, over 15,045 points. As you can see here, I'm still getting referrals on my level ones here, and this gentleman here renewed his monthly subscription. All right, and then we're gonna go here. All right, and then my total rewards for this month is $5.69. And we're only on the 10th of July, okay? So, of course, this is going to go a lot higher as the month goes on. All right, my activity points here, my activity rewards, okay? And there's a significant increase in the earnings I've had, and that's because there's increased activity on Webtalk as well. And then our CEO RJ, he's gonna go ahead and update the rewards platform. He's gonna implement his own company-wide platform when he starts implementing the WebTalk ads as well. So we'll earn a lot more money than we are right now with Google AdSense, because this is all Google AdSense money. Okay, so we're gonna add a lot more ways to earn, a lot more commissions and whatnot. Okay, let's see here, and I'm gonna go down the list. So I have 56 total affiliate referrals, and so far, pending sign up bonuses, $325. All right, and so far for this month, I have a $2 pro commission. And this is all from, just like I said, it's not doing anything much, just sharing the platform with other people and then posting online, like I've been saying. Okay. Now, if you are ready to join the platform, go go ahead and click on the link below. All right. And thank you for tuning in, and have a good one.